Hello, friends! I will start with confession. I think I'm a little smurf. Sounds weird, but I like gardening. I don't have a garden because I live in the city, but I have so many plants at home, and one more weird thing, they all have names. So I've decided to combine gardening with crafts and physics and to make 3 cute works of art, self-watering planters. And for the first one, I've decided to use this iconic yellow rubber duck. First of all, I need to cut a hole for my plant. Now I'm covering a hole in duck's belly with the hot glue and making 2 cuts for duck's feet. To make feet, which will provide my plant with water, I'm using a synthetic felt. Now I'm inserting feet to the holes and filling a duck with soil. Okay, here is a little plant and I will place it into its new home. Done! Now let's make a bath. For a bath, I'm using a glass bowl, which I'm decorating with water tap. The spout I'm making of a drinking straw. Quick and important note. I know many of you are horrified by plastic drinking straws, because they are harmful for aquatic animals. If so, let me tell you something. If all the drinking straws were washed into oceans just in a few hours, they would account for less than 1% of the plastic waste that have been washed into oceans for 1 year. And the most harmful for ocean life is abandoned fishing gear. So if you're using cloth tote bags instead of plastic bags, or don't use single-use plastic drinking straws at all, this is good. But if you want to rescue turtles, seabirds and dolphins, better try to stop fishing and eating fish. Love you! Back to art! So I'm making a water tap spout out of plastic drinking straw, which actually had left from my previous DIY projects, and now I'm painting it with silver acrylic paint. And for tap's handles, I'm using 2 push pins, red and blue, for hot and cold water. On the other side, I'm placing miniature craft bottle with shampoo. And for the soap, I'm using a chewing gum, which I'm covering with a coat of clear nail polish to make it waterproof. Now I'm pouring water into our bath and adding blue food dye. It will not harm a plant. Okay, time to place our ducky to the bath. Isn't it cute? The felt will absorb the water and deliver it right to the soil. Awesome! My next DIY art self-watering planter was inspired by the Mad Tea Party from Alice in Wonderland. As you see, my single-person tea set is pretty boring, so I've decided to decorate it. I'm using colored paper, single-hole punch and glue stick. The surface will not contact with water, so paper is okay for this project. But you can use acrylic paint or nail polish instead. I'm taking a cord and placing it deep into the teapot spout. One end of the cord will be dipped in the water, and another one I'm putting in the cup. Adding soil to the cup. Yummy! Planting a plant. As you see, it has a baby. So cute! And decorating with stones. Now I'm pouring water into the teapot. And that's it! This cord works like a bridge for water from the teapot to the cup. And it is already wet. It's working! Whee! And the third art planter will be pretty. Will be pretty compact and pretty. As I imagine, it will be a story about meat-eating dinosaur who ate too many plant-eating dinosaurs. I've bought this rubber... well... I've bought this stress-relieving gummy rubber dinosaur in the toy shop. So relaxing. And there are some kind of beads inside. We'll see. I'm doing a cut on dinosaur's back. And what do we have here? Styrofoam. This is so stress-relieving to gather all those pieces from everywhere now. Okay, now I'm making a hole in its mouth. Taking a drinking straw and inserting a cord into it. Placing a cord into dinosaur's mouth so the end of it could reach its belly. Now I'm filling our dinosaur with soil and placing a plant. Let's give him a drink. Pouring glass with water, decorating as a cocktail, and placing a drinking straw with cord. Awesome! Please let me know what self-watering art planter you like the most. Tag me on photos with your DIY planters and don't forget to water your plants. Oh, but they're self-watering. It was me, Idunn, and I'll see you soon. Бувайте!